Today we'll be cleaning the Sony a6400. To clean this camera, we recommend the Dust Aid Wand Kit for wet cleaning. And for dry cleaning, we recommend our new Dust Aid Light Wand. To clean the 6400, simply expose the camera, use the Dust Aid Light Wand, turn on the light. It lights up the whole entire length of the wand. Then we just simply place it in all four corners of the sensor filter. And you're done. Now to clean the end of the light wand, we take an adhesive strip, apply it to the adhesive strip, and it removes all the dust particulates from the cleaning surface. And that's how you clean with the Dust Aid Light Wand. Thank you.